everyone, it's Michelle again from a Noble Touch, and I'm just doing a quick fall garland I wanted to put together. I like it when I can use something from outdoors, so like pine cones, and I do have a few florals though that I'm going to use. You can get any florals you want. I bought these from a store up in Michigan called Northwoods. It's in Pinconning. And but like I said, you can use any florals wherever you have them, or if you have some at home already, or you can get them at Walmart, Dollar Tree, wherever you want to go for them. Anyway, we're going to use pine cones. We're going to need some floral tape, some floral wire, and then your florals, and then some scissors and glue gun. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I've already cut some of the wire. This is about, it's about 14 inches. It's just the 26 gauge wire. And what I do is I kind of hook the end of it, and I take it and try to slip it in around the pine cone like this. And I kind of wrap it. Oh, you got to hold it though too, so you can wrap it around in the cone there. And you're going to leave some out like that. Once it's wrapped, I hit it with some hot glue, and you can go underneath where it was wrapped as well, and let that sit up. So I'm going to do a few more here. And again, just kind of hook it, and you know, that hook will get in there, but you got to kind of hold it too and wrap it around. These were just pine cones that we got from out in the woods. What you can do is bake these on a low setting in the oven. That way it'll dry them out a little bit more. And just hit it with some glue. And let them sit up. Hook that around. Just kind of weave it in the cone there, and then you can bring it down. Just like that. So we're going to get these done, and then we'll be back. So we went ahead and put the wire on the pine cones. And what we're going to do is gather 3 pine cones and kind of pinch them here at the top. And you can just twist the wire here so it just gathers them up like this. So it'll lay like this. So we'll go ahead and gather the other 3. And again, just twist the wire. So it has the 3 on there. And then we'll do the last 3 here. So then we have the 3 bunches. And it's okay if they lay differently. That's what's going to be neat about this. So we have our one here. And then what I like to do is just do one more. So you're going to kind of lay it on the top like this, but a little bit further down. And then we're going to twist this wire again. So you have the pine cones just laying like this. And then you can take one of your florals and just lay it in the crutch like that. Hold it tight. And then take that wire and twist it around the floral stem. Like that, and then I take the third set and lay it on top like this, and just wrap that around the stem, a few, and then you can go ahead and add another one there, another floral, and wrap that stem in with the other stem. And that's going to be like one section for our garland. Now what I like to do here is then wrap this, take your floral tape, and I might just cut a piece. And then start at the base. And proceed to wrap it. Around the stem and the wire. And what I'm going to do with this garland, I want to make like a small swag garland. You, of course, can go, you know, just keep extending this by making it longer and longer. But once you get that all wrapped, then it's just going to be a matter of taking your other bundles. So if I do, let me see here. So here I have some bundles already done. So right now I just have 4 bundles. I'm probably going to do 6 total just for the smaller type swag garland I'm going for. And then what you're going to do is just take one, I think the berry one at the beginning, and then just lay it on the next one like this. And then I'm just going to take my floral tape and tape that together. And I'm going to extend it out. You know, just keep adding more and more to it as I go along and extend it out. So, and actually I might want to take some of my wire first. Just want to make sure these lay where I want them to lay. And you can just take some wire first to help tighten it together. That way it's easier for the tape to go around it. And I don't think you're going to need a lot of tape just to cover that small little section there. like that. And then we'll take another one and place it again. We're just gonna lay it out so you have the bottom stem comes, and we're gonna tighten that down there. So we're just gonna keep working on this. Like I said, I'm gonna do 6 total. I think 3 and 3. There should be plenty of the width or length I want it for my fireplace mantle. So again, you can keep adding more. Do a longer one if you want one hanging. You could even add some lights to it if you wanted. That'd be really pretty as well. Once you're done, you could probably actually zip tie lights to the base, like the little LED lights, battery operated. That would look nice. But see, once it's all done, it'll look something like this. But I will show you when we come back. Okay, so I got my bundles all done. Now what I'm going to do, so I have these 3 I bundled together. And of course they're facing this direction. So I want the next 3, of course, to go this direction. So what I'm going to do is bring this in and kind of wrap the tape around right here. Like that. And then once you push the other bundles up, this will fill in that gap. But like I said, I'm just doing like a little swag garland that I wanted for my mantle. So let me cut some of this. Actually, let me do some wire first. We'll wire it first and then we'll wrap it with the tape. I don't know if we're going to see this very well because I'm going to try to get it and wire this in here. And just wrap that wire around. Maybe twist it a few times. And then I'm going to take my floral tape. It's not really a big spot. And just wrap that in there. Bear with me, I just had this idea today and I thought I would try it out. But I think I'm going to like it. I mean, for the most part, it's pretty easy to do. And then you could, of course, do this for all the seasons. So then I'm going to look and flip it over here. Grab the stem here. And of course, we're going to add the next row there. Actually, I'm going to cut some of this off. Just put it on top there. We will wire it first. To find the end of this. I guess what I could do, it might be easier for me before I wrap individuals, Let's take this next piece and lay it. Like that. And wire it around. And then, of course, I will go through and wrap with the tape. And then you're just going to work your pine cones so they lay correctly on your table or your mantle. Pull your floral up. And you're going to have a beautiful fall little swag garland to go on your mantle. Again, you can play with it, and like I said, you can make it longer if you would like. You could do different, you know, of course, for all seasons. You could spray paint them white and, you know, or roll them in some paint so they look like they're tipped with the white for snow or anything like that for Christmas or winter time. And just once you get it situated, it should look really nice on your mantle. I will, of course, take pictures of it when I get it all finished. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure to like and subscribe to A Noble Touch. As I said, I will be coming out with some just different ideas for crafts, and hopefully you love them. Thank you.